Hey there, welcome to QuizFlight. QuizFlight is an AI-powered learning and quiz platform built to make training faster, easier, and honestly, way more fun. With QuizFlight, you can turn any content into quizzes, knowledge checks, or full training modules in seconds. Just drop in your material and the AI does the heavy lifting for you. It works beautifully for compliance, onboarding, team training, pretty much anything you want your people to learn. And because learning shouldn't be boring, QuizFlight adds gamification, challenges, and even multiplayer quiz modes to keep everyone engaged. QuizFlight also connects smoothly with your existing systems. We partner with Wand, ClassLink, and Clever to provide secure, seamless access and integrate with tools like Google Classroom, Microsoft 365, Canva Apps Marketplace, Workday Learning, and SAP SuccessFactors. You'll also get clear analytics, progress tracking, certificates, and reports, all in one place. And if you want to take your learning experience mobile, QuizFlight offers custom iOS and Android app development for both corporate teams and individual learners. In short, QuizFlight makes learning simple, interactive, and genuinely enjoyable. If you're ready to take your training to the next level, QuizFlight is here for that.